Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Meher Vlogs. Today we are going to make Hyderabadi Biryani. That too from Kohinoor's authentic biryani kit. So it says that it has 3 simple steps. So this pack includes authentic biryani masala, authentic basmati rice and whole spices, and it says it will be ready in 30 minutes. You can add your own vegetables, chicken or meat of your choice. So let me open this box for you and see what exactly we have into this box. So this is the masala packet. It has given the recipe. This is the rice packet. Okay, so we will be cooking exactly the way it is. And the last thing is the whole spices. So this is what we got into this biryani kit. What we will do is we'll read the recipe and replicate the steps and see how it works out. So please do keep watching and watch the video till the end for this amazing Hyderabadi biryani. So we can see the recipe here, and we will soak the rice for 30 minutes and then let it cook, and we will put this paste into our vegetables, and we have some prawns, so we will put it in our prawns and then layer this biryani. So let's see how this thing turns out. Guys, we have taken 250 grams of prawn and 250 grams of potatoes and 2 onions thinly sliced. So we will fry this onion golden brown, and we will marinate the prawns and the potatoes in the biryani mix. You can add any meat or any vegetable of your choice up to 500 grams. So we have taken our prawns and potatoes in one bowl, and now we will cut this paste and marinate this for next 30 minutes. So let me go ahead and cut it. It has already oil into it. You can see the oil and all the masalas are there. So we can just marinate this. You don't need to add any oil or any curd or anything. Everything is into this masala. So let me go ahead and put this masala into this and put it for 30 minutes. So now we'll fry our onions till our ingredients are getting marinated. So we will take some oil into the pan and we will fry our onions. We will make them golden brown. So let me put these onions. So our onions are getting fried. Once they are golden brown, we will remove this and we will start cooking our biryani. We have also soaked this rice into water, and then we will cook the rice. This rice will stay here for 30 minutes and then we will cook it. So here we can see our onions are getting cooked. So we will cook till they are nice and golden brown. So here we can see our onions are nice and brown. So we will remove them and we will start cooking our rice and biryani. We have taken the same pan in which we have fried the onions. So what we'll do is we will fry 3 green chilies into it. So these are optional. So let me fry these green chilies. So once these chilies are fried, what I'll do is I'll put our marinated mixture and allow it to cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. So I have put our prawns and potatoes mixture into it. What we'll do is we'll cook our rice. So we will take one vessel and take 1 liter of water. So exactly 1 liter of water. and we will make it to a boil, and we will put the whole spices into it. So here are our whole spices. All this is given by them. So we have put our whole spices, and now we'll put some salt to taste. So we have put some salt, so once the water has been boiled, we will put our rice into this water for 5 to 7 minutes. So our water has boiled and it is having a nice aroma. So we will take this soaked rice, remove the water, and put the rice into this boiling water. So we have put the rice into this boiling water, and now we'll cook for 7 to 9 minutes. So our rice is ready. We'll drain out this excess water. So we have drained out the excess water. Now we will layer our biryani. We will start layering our biryani. So what we have cooked, this potatoes and shrimps, we will put them into this pan. So I have put one layer of our masala. Now I will put rice into it, which we have cooked. So we will put some rice. So we have put one layer of rice. We will again put a layer of our masala. So we have put the second layer of masala also. Now we will put all the rice which are left into the pan. So we have put our rice. Now we will put this fried onions on top of it. So we have put our fried onions, and we will just cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. So we will close the lid and come back in 5 to 7 minutes. Biryani is ready. So let's open and see how it is. Oh, this is lovely. This is absolutely lovely. A lot of aroma. So here is the moment of truth. This is looking yummy. Absolutely yummy. The prawns and potatoes are nicely done. This is the real deal. Now let me go ahead and taste this yummy, delicious looking biryani. It's absolutely hot. The masalas are coated nicely. All the flavors are really good. Trust me, Kohinoor has done a wonderful job in making this masala, and this biryani packet is absolutely awesome. So if you are new to my channel, please do hit to the subscribe button, and also if you like such videos, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel Meher Vlogs, the Hungry Biker. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.